we are in Mackay still. We've been here for a couple of days, going to be here for another couple of days, just getting a few things done. Then heading to Rockhampton, and then from Rockhampton we're going inland. So we're heading towards the west because we are so excited. The west is finally opening up to the Queenslanders, so excited for that. That is the one part of Australia that we haven't seen, and we are so pumped to see it. The beaches look amazing, the vibe looks amazing. I am so excited to get there, but we're going to do that slowly, so we won't even be there by Christmas, so we'll be there in the new year. So super excited for that. So make sure you stay tuned to all of our episodes, because we will take you along with us on our journey from Queensland to WA. You gonna dance? Yay! Wow! Wow!
Yeah!
What's happened? I think that's for your baby. It's for your baby. You're giving your baby its bottle? No?
What's here?
Delivery.
How much better is getting your groceries delivered?
Saving time, which means more time we can go out and explore rather than shopping.
It's the best. Straight to your door, straight in the fridge. Don't have to take the kids up and down the aisles. It's heaven. Thanks, Woolies.
Time to leave Mackay and off to Rockhampton. Josh is getting everything ready.
Have you seen these?
Oh, here he goes.
Navigators, buddy. These things are the best. You can put your electrical leads in here, sludge hose, or hose. Little compartment in the middle here. No, we're not affiliated with Navigators. I just like showing off their gear. You can put, if you've got your hose on there, they come off tops, pegs, whatever it may be. Label it on the top. You know it's what? Chuck it in your tail boot. Away you go. Write your name under where I did it. What's that one?
I'm making you.
I'm a bit fat. Woohoo! Yay, there's Daddy. Now, can you write your name under there where it's got Riley? Here. Copy Riley. No. Where do you want to go?
Pool.
The pool? Do you want to go swimming? Come on then.
Dinner time. What are you having, Chloe? Nuggets?
No, I never finished my whole dinner. We're going to pay for the only ones I've it all my
We are going to play Soggy Doggy.
I'm sorry that you have to get wet.
That's right. We will get a bit wet, but that's all right.
We did that at Nanny's house.
We did do it at Nan.
Whoa.
What do you reckon, Chloe? Soggy Doggy?
Then get over the table too.
Yep. Chloe,
Pool.
the park? Yay!
Pool.
Park.
Chloe. Pool.
Oh, you want to go to the pool?
Chloe, what's this? Chloe.
So this is our site for the night, right next to the water and a beautiful sunset. What more do you want?
Hey, Chloe.
How good's this? The pool is right there and we are right there. Not bad.
Right, throw them in. Now wait till they sink and then you can show Nan how you can get them all from the bottom.
That way. That is going all the way down there.
Alright, we'll jump in and try and grab one.
Is it deep?
Just get the orange ones first. Ready? Show Nan. I've got the video on. Go. What one did you get? Oh, you got two. Ready, set, go. Yeah!
A lot of bird food up here.
A lot of bird poo. Can you clean it?
I need a clean here.
Alright, back to you, Belle.
Yeah.
Wow!
Bung. When you bung.
Here it comes.
Walk me out. Don't let me go into BCF on my own.
What did you buy?
Well, I went for a caravan water filter. I come out
With a fishing rod.
some new spin gear for
Is
the
that your
beach.
birthday present?
No.
Oh yeah.
Sorry. More?
What?
Tongue?
Tongue?
No.
So we arrived in Noosa today. We're here for not sure how long yet. So that is our next stop. Never been to Noosa before, so excited to have a look around. It's got a pool here, a games room, a playground. You can probably hear Chloe in the background. I'm trying to get her down for a nap and that is not working. So I think we'll just head to the pool. We're leaving today, leaving Noosa off to our next destination. So make sure you catch our next episode because it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going somewhere very special for Josh's birthday. Thanks again for tuning in to another episode. Make sure you hit subscribe to never miss out on any of our adventures around Australia. Thanks guys. Bye.